Hi everybody. Well, I thought I used up all my memory on this, but there might be some left. I don't know. It's saying there is. I figured I'd give you an update. It's 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everybody. You're going to get this late, but oh well. And yeah, I have this in my hand, the GoPro, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. We'll see. Anyways, I wanted to just show you guys some more stuff I've done. Hold on. I'll pan slowly. You can kind of get an idea. Alright, show you my van. There's my Salem boy. What you doing, Salems? I am in Montrose, Colorado. And I'm going to be here till Friday the 6th because I'm getting some repairs done on the van. So the last thing I'm fixing, hopefully for a while, is the power steering pump is gone. And I am not going to go anywhere outside of town without it because I found out I have a very loose wheel with no power steering. And it's fine for low driving, low speeds, up to 40. But after 40, anytime the wind hits it, it could be just a puff. And it tries to go into the other lane. It's crazy. So I am not going over no passes or Travelers Camp Fest, which is where I'm heading, without that power steering fixed. And guess what? I get to pay for it myself. I don't have to borrow any money because this is the first month that I'm not paying expenses in Florida. Mike and I have broken up. He hates me. I don't blame him, but I'm not going to change anything now. I have to do what I have to do for myself, and Florida is too humid. California is too humid. Humidity doesn't agree with me. I've definitely confirmed that, so I'm going to stay in drier climates as much as I can. Anyways, this is one of my screens for the moonroof. Ooh, take a look. Ooh, pretty sunset. Ooh, look it. We have sunbeams coming through the clouds. Anyways, so I've been doing some improvising. I am going to get rid of all my... I'm only keeping 3 crates. 3 of these. The rest of them are going and everything else is getting put in bags. I've got all my snacks. These are great. For small bags, 50 cents. I got all my snacks in there. This one has all my dried goods that are not canned. I got that for 50 cents from Ross. I'm going to get more of those. And then my canned stuff is down here. This is Salem's box. It's got everything. And I also have my water pitcher in there. Okay. You guys are probably wondering what all this stuff is. Well, I'm experimenting. I got one of these lithium battery packs that you charge your phone on. So I'm charging this on my inverter, which is hooked up to the battery, which I charged with solar today for a couple hours. Okay, so I have, this is the battery pack. It's charging off of this. My phone, in the meantime, hopefully it's charging at the same time. Yep, slowly, but it's working. Oh, good. All right. He's my Salem's. He's going to the vet tomorrow because he needs his shots, and he has a couple of cactus thorns in his feet. He's got one in the right paw and one in the back right paw. Yeah, don't you, boy? And they're wedged in there, but I think they're deteriorating because they don't seem to be bothering him anymore. But I need his feet checked. He seems to be doing fine, though. He's been going off leash at my campsites because I'm not in an established campground. So, anyways, and let's see, what else is going on? Oh, yeah, my steering column is broke. It won't go down. I heard it break, and that's what caused the power steering pump to fail completely. So something busted inside. I hope that's not going to cost me more money. So I have to sit on this pillow. I got this for $3. And it says Home Sweet Home. And I sit on that pillow. Alright, boo-boos. There's my campsite. There's no burn in effect, other than no open fires. I can do propane. So I cooked up chicken Alfredo with broccoli. And it looks like crap. It tastes good, but it's very filling. I don't know what I'm going to do with all of it. So I've been experimenting a lot with the heat and using all kinds of things. I've gotten myself lots of, I want more of these. These are great. I have a sunshade. I've been experimenting with that. I've been experimenting with blankets, putting them up in the windows. What do we got going on here, boo-boo? What do you want to do? He says, I don't know, Mom. I just don't know. Yeah, and this is my fruit basket. I don't know if I showed you guys this. I love this thing. Put my toilet paper in there too. And I hang, and then I got these things, and I'm hanging all kinds of stuff. Yep, there's my garbage. I'm going to dump that tomorrow. Yes, he's going to get some work done. Got myself an axe, finally. A fly swatter, which I use only if they really bug me. Let's see what else is going on here that I can show you guys. I don't know if this is going to come out. Oh, a lot of stuff is in my tent. I've been using that for storage, and I'm just keeping this stuff up here. I got my new towel, and then this is my old metal detector. All my spices are here. This is all my medical stuff. This is paper towels, and plastic bags, like garbage bags for my Lugaloo. Oh, and look what else I'm doing. I've got reflectives inside my cooler, and I've put one, I just decided to throw one on top and throw something on it. It's just temporary. I'm trying to keep my ice from completely melting. Oh, and then I got this container here, and in it is some books I'm giving away, but also I have, as a matter of fact, those have to come out. All my auto stuff's going in here. So I'm trying to collect fluids and things I might need and put them in here. Oh, let's see. Yeah, so meanwhile I've bagged up stuff. I've put some books and some winter stuff in there. Oh, I'm reading this really great series. It's called the Ember War Saga, and this is book 4 out of 9. It's really good. Science fiction about an invasion, aliens. And do you notice all the little cards I've put up that people have either given me or I've collected? And I have more over here, and this is a picture of my mommy and her sister. I'm probably tilted, aren't I? Oh well. Anyways, I just thought I'd share that with you. Okay, so anyways, I've left Florida, and I am gonna try and get residency here. The hard part is not registration, not car insurance. my driver's license expires in February. So I have to pay for 1 month or get a friend in that state to allow me to pay them a little bit so I can use their address. Or I have to pay for an address for a month. I don't want to do anything illegal. I could, but because I'm getting money from the government, I don't want to do that. So I will do everything across the board. I did find a place in New Mexico. It's a studio. I could rent it for a month. With the pet deposit, it would cost me a lot of money, and there's no way I would, it'll be enough. I mean, what am I going to say? It's $600 that includes the pet deposit. Okay, the pet deposit's $200 and the rent's $395 for a month to month. And it's a nice studio. And it has air conditioning and Wi-Fi. And there's laundry facilities on the premises. So I might do that, but I'm really going to try and get something here in Colorado. So I'm going to Salida and Buena Vista. And that's the area I'd like to make my home area. I'm taking 2 of the smaller passes to get over there once the car's fixed on Friday or on Saturday, depending on how late they're done. So when I get to Salida and Buena Vista, I'm going to get some quotes on insurance, and I'm going to Clear Creek Reservoir to go to the Travelers Camp Fest from July 10th through the 17th. I'll be there for 2 weeks, though. Guaranteed.